So here we are back at the Copper Barn for another wedding. Okay, so we have our first problem of the day. This is the new Mackie. This is the old Mackie. And the old Mackie just died. This is the only speaker I have because the other one is completely dead. It's not pulling power. So what we're going to do is run with this one for the wedding and then for the reception. The venue is not that large. I should be able to do it. My issue is going to be when it comes to playing heavy hip hop. We may have problems with handling the low end. The acoustics in here are great, so it's working. Still running with one speaker. So far, so good. I just want to note that this is completely unplanned. It just happened. And I didn't say no.